Welcome to Japan, where I don't know how to read and vlogging in public is rude as fuck. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Okay, so I'm in a hotel that my parents booked because my parents are arriving tomorrow. Look. It's so cute. I have a huge mirror. I have a huge TV. All the lights I can do from there. And then we have like the cute little slippers. And then I have my own little fridge. There's nothing in it, that's disappointing. We have a water boiler thingy kettle. And a bathtub. Guess who's taking a bath today? Holy shit. Also, everywhere that you go in Japan, they just provide you with shampoo and conditioner and body gel. And like, this is actually... Oh no, it's not the most disappointing bathroom ever, cause like, look. So, this is to wash your butt. This is to wash your front butt. And this is to stop. And it has pressure. I don't know what these do. They freak me out though. Oh, I have like thick, fluffy. Oh my god. So excited, guys. So excited. Arrived in Tokyo. Grand old time. It is raining, but my new phone is water resistant, so I can still film myself, which is rude in Tokyo, but I just don't care. And I am looking for something to eat, and once again Tokyo is proving that you can nowhere in Japan find a vegetarian and no vegan option. What the heck? Like, literally, I've gone to, or like I've seen 4 restaurants so far, and they're all like meat, fish, more meat. So right now I'm crossing the street. I have no clue where in Tokyo I am. Gonna try that restaurant over there. Let's see. Also, I'm too lazy to go in and ask if they actually have something vegetarian or couldn't make something, so like kinda on me as well. But the adventures continue, trying to eat vegan in Japan. I've already failed like 5,000 times. So I've made it to a restaurant. I picked this one because it had something on the menu that looked vegetarian. And I go inside and I sit down and I ask the dude, like in a little bit of English, so you have it says vegetarian, has it meat? And he's like, yeah, it does. But then he was like, oh, this doesn't have meat, and I think it has egg. And I was like, I don't care. But we'll see what I get. I got and I got this, which I think is tea, like cold green tea. It's always an adventure in Japan. So I thought this was gonna have a little bit of egg. It's all egg. I'm tripped. Alright, so I'm back in the hotel. Dinner was an adventure. So after 15 minutes of walking around, I was like, alright, fine. Like, I looked at the menu outside and it looked like tofu. And I have this Google Lens, which will translate something directly, which is insane. So I Googled it and it said like mako noodles or something. And when I Googled that, like the first recipe that popped up was like a vegan recipe, and I was like, that's a good sign. That means that this dish is probably at least vegetarian. So I go inside and I sit down, and the dude's like, the man, I ask him, oh, do you speak English? He's like, nah. I'm like, fuck. Okay, so I look at, like, I point at the thingy, and I'm like, has meat? And he's, yes. Minced meat. I'm like, damn it. There went my plan. Like, my plan was so foolproof. And then he points at something else and he's like, no meat. And he's like, bit egg. So I was like, you know what, like, it's dark out. I sat in a Shinkansen for 5 hours today with no real lunch. I'm hungry. I just want to eat like a little bit of egg. I'll be the bad vegan. I don't give a shit. So I'm like, yeah, fine. Like, so I say, egg, okay. No meat. And so my dish comes and has shrimp in it. I'm like, oh my god, you guys don't understand what the definition of meat is. So I didn't eat the shrimp, and I didn't eat like there were like black round thingies. I didn't know what they were, and I didn't eat them. And the rest, I was like, fuck it, I'll just eat it. So I ate like a bunch of rice, and it wasn't just a little bit of egg. Like it wasn't like, oh, there's so many vegetables and then there's a little bit of egg. It was like egg, just egg. Like I probably ate like 3 eggs just now. I'm such a horrible vegan.